Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Raw mango infused Hyderabadi Upma. But first a few words of raw mango and its properties. Nutritional value to start with. Advantages of raw mango. But disadvantages of raw mango. And the worst, Urushiol, the poisonous mango toxin. Beware. For more information on Urushiol, please view these videos that I have uploaded earlier. You will get information on how to remove Urushiol, and in case you get infected with Urushiol, what to do. Please wash them. And now, to a bowl of water, add fat bursting agents like salt, vinegar and lemon juice and the raw mangoes. Soak them for 10 to 15 hours. Set up a chopping board and a sharp knife. Cut and de-seed one small raw mango. Be careful not to cut your fingers or your hand. Remove the skin and chop the pulp of the raw mango. And switch on the heat, set up a cooker. Carrot and peas are absolutely optional as they are not a part of the Hyderabadi Upma recipe. Now, water from any natural source. Add 600 ml and cap the cooker and allow the cooker to cook till one whistle. Now take the blender, crack 2 garden fresh green chilies, add the raw mango and blend into a fine paste. When done, set aside. Switch on the flame and set a kadai, skillet or a wok. Take semolina and roast it well. Do stir occasionally. In the meantime, the whistle has gone off. Set the cooker aside. Now roast the semolina till it changes color and a woodish nutty fragrance is observed. Set the semolina aside to cool too. Now, take the skillet again and peanut oil, 60 ml, mustard seed and let the music begin. That's the chef's DJ. Let it begin. And take black gram split and chickpea split. Add to the oil. 1 onion finely chopped. Saute till it becomes soft, color changes and it becomes translucent. Keep stirring so that none of these stick to the bottom of the vessel. Once done, take curry leaves, add them. Now add the raw mango and green chili paste that we had made earlier. Stir, stir, stir because this can stick and get burnt. So stir well. Now allow it to cook. And now add brown sugar or any sweetener that you prefer and salt of your choice, preferably natural. Add semolina. Stir to mix well. When done, now add the boiled carrots and green peas along with the water in which they had been boiled, as it contains all the nutrients. Once done, stir and cook till all the water is absorbed and our raw mango infused Hyderabadi Upma is cooked. Looks great, isn't it? Tasty, natural, with a twist. And now serve and enjoy with all, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.